body training this month. I would say have fun and enjoy.
Welcome to the Brightlands Home Workout video. My name is Tom and I'll be your personal trainer for today. I will guide you through a series of exercises that focuses on the core. Why? Since most of us are working from home these days, it's especially important to train the muscles that support our everyday activities. So let's get on with the workout.
So we're going to do a 3-minute warm-up, focusing on our core. Get yourself the space, get yourself comfortable, and get yourself the focus. We're going to start in 4 seconds.
Join me in this position. This is our active rest position, like this. Just tap the knees, keep it going, like this. Don't make it too hard on yourself, just keep the tension. Just tap the knees, get yourself warm. 10 more seconds and we're going to do the first variation, focusing the side obliques. 3, 2, 1, like this. Just tap your heels. Feel the tension in your side obliques. Keep it going. Pick up the pace. Five more seconds. Let's go, guys. Make yourself warm. Keep the focus. And back to the active rest position. Tap the knees for 15 seconds. Like this. Doing great so far, guys. Come on. Just tap your knees. If you're doing it correctly, you can already feel the burn. Now, tap your other foot. So, like this. Pretty tough one, right? Keep it going. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and active rest position. Good job, guys. Almost there. We're gonna do one more variation. And then we're all ready. Like this. Tap. Try to get a full range of motion. Pick up the pace however you want it. You can do it slowly, you can do it fast. As long as you get that blood flowing. 10 more seconds, guys. Keep it going. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Did a great job, guys. Are you guys warm? Are you guys ready? Let's get on with the real deal. Let's start the exercises. We can do this. This exercise is called the bridge. The bridge focuses on the entire posterior chain from your hamstring, the glutes, and the lower back. We're gonna do 3 sets of 45 seconds with 30 seconds in between. We're gonna start in 5 seconds and I'll show you 3 different variations from beginner to advanced. Let's go. We're gonna place our feet on shoulder width and raise our hips like this. Try to control the tempo and squeeze the glutes at the top and control it down real slowly. The slower downwards, the better. What you can do is, if this is too easy for you, because this is the beginner variation, you can, when you're at the top, release one foot, like this. Look at my right foot. So you go with 1 foot down and 2 foot up, one foot down. 2 feet up, 1 foot down. Like this. And relax. That was the first set. Always try to decide for yourself if this is too hard, if you can reach the 45 seconds. And again, don't beat yourself up if this is too hard, because we are working towards a goal together. Try to release the tension, use the rest. We begin in 5 seconds. Come on, guys. Hype yourself up. Let's go. Next set. Squeeze the glutes, really important. If those two variations were still too easy for you, for some of you, you can go down with one and go up with one. Just release one foot the entire way. And then maybe set, you can do it with the other foot, like this. Yes, as you can see from my face, pretty heavy. Whew. 5 more seconds, guys. Keep it going. My hamstrings are burning. And whew, relax. Use the 30 seconds. Catch your breath. Whew. Whew, I know I'm using this rest good, because this is pretty heavy. But that's what we want. For every level of fitness, we have a different variation. So if this was too hard, do the beginner. If you can't reach the 45 seconds, it's good also. We are always working towards a goal. Don't beat yourself up. Let's go. I'm gonna do the other foot now. So left foot, no contact. I'm only going up and down with my right foot or right leg. Like this. Doing a great job, guys. Keep it going. 20 more seconds. Let's go. You can always variate whatever you want. Just keep the same intensity. Keep squeezing those glutes. Control it on the way up, control it on the way down. 5 more seconds and then we're done with the bridge. Whew. And relax. You did a great job, guys. That was the bridge. This exercise is called the Russian twist. The Russian twist focuses on the core and especially the side obliques. We're going to do 3 sets of 45 seconds with 30 seconds rest in between. We're going to use a pillow that you can take from the couch to do the exercise. So we're going to start in 5 seconds. I'll show you 3 variations, beginner, medium and advanced. We begin with the beginner variation. So place your foot on the ground and twist like this. And like I said, you can always take the pillow. Don't fully rotate because this is already pretty heavy. So lean back a bit that you feel a constant tension on the core, like this. If this is too easy, what you can do is just fully rotate and touch the ground. Yes, guys, touch the ground. Doing great. 10 more seconds. This is pretty heavy. I can feel my core burning already, especially the side obliques. 5 seconds, yes, and whoa. Wow, did a great job, guys. How are you feeling? I know I'm feeling it in the core, I can tell you. Whew. So, take the rest, let the tension go away a little bit and recover for the next set. We have 2 more sets to go and I'm going to show you the advanced version. So for all you hardcore dudes out there, join me. 5 seconds till we start. Let's go. So we're gonna lean back and float with our feet like this. Fully rotate and do not touch the ground with your foot. And try to keep the tempo. The faster you go, the harder it will be. But remember to fully rotate. Like this. But if this is too heavy for you, you can always go to the medium version or the beginner version. Whatever suits you best. And remember, it's also good if you can reach the full 45 seconds. Don't beat yourself up. We have one more set to go, guys. So get your breath, relax, whew. Release the tension. We got one more set to go. I know I'm finding my focus again because this exercise is heavy, but it's super good for you, especially in these days. So prepare yourself one last time. Let's go. Beginner version. Like this. And now fully rotate for the medium variation. This exercise is so good, I can feel it in the entire core. Can you feel it too? And now, the advanced one. Lift both feet. Keep it going. Up the tempo. 5 more seconds, guys. Keep it going. Yes, and you did it. Great job, guys. That was a Russian twist. This exercise is called the Hindu push-up. The Hindu push-up focuses on the core, but also the pecs and the shoulders. We're gonna do 3 sets of 45 seconds with 30 seconds rest in between. This will be your starting position. Sort of a push-up position, but with the legs stretched. So we're gonna start in 5 seconds. You guys follow me to the starting position right now. We're gonna start with a beginner variation. So come down to the shoulders, not too deep, and come up here. Back to the starting position. Don't go too deep below and come up here. And back to the starting position. So this is the routine, just follow me. Try to increase the tempo. If you're doing it correctly, you can feel the tension in your shoulders, in your pecs, but also in your core, because this is a plank position. Engage the core. Try to find your rhythm. Great job, guys. 10 more seconds. Like this. This is the beginner variation, but pretty tough already. And rest. Use those 30 seconds. Regain some strength. Try to get your breath. I know this is a pretty tough exercise, but this is a great way to challenge your shoulders and your core at home. It's pretty tough to train the shoulders from home base because you don't have any weights or dumbbells. So let's go again. But now we're gonna show you the medium variation. Try to go deeper like this. And try to slow the tempo down with your shoulders and your pecs. Push yourself up. Try to maintain the 45 seconds. Keep the tension. Everything's going great. 20 more seconds, guys. 20 more seconds. So from here, really control the way down from the shoulders. Kind of looks like a yoga exercise. Partially is, of course, but this is mainly focusing on strength. And that was set 2. How's it going, guys? Whew. I know I'm feeling it already. Catch your breath. We're almost there. One more set to go. We'll start in about 15 seconds, so use this rest. If you're doing it correctly, you're mainly feeling it in the shoulders, but as well as in the core. So I'm going to start off with the most difficult variation. Let's go. Beginning position, come all the way down, but then come all the way back again. So eccentric here in the shoulders,
and come back. Like this. I know I can't do this 45 seconds, so I'm gonna go with the beginner variation again. You can always find your own tempo. Find your own intensity. Do whatever feels best for you. We've got 10 more seconds to go, guys. Give it your all. Woo! Feels great though. Almost there. And great job, guys. You did a great job.
You guys did a great job, but for now, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna cool down and let our bodies recover. So we're gonna do a cooling down now. Join me in this last exercise. Fully extend yourself and then relax, drop to the floor with your hands. Try to touch the floor and feel the stretch here. From this position on, through the knees, and put your right foot backwards. And then follow with your left foot. Then touch your knees to the ground and then make this movement. Then come up, forward, like this, and feel it in your back. This is a good exercise for the mobility as well. Then back to the plank position or the push-up position, whatever you prefer. And then place your left foot forward and your right foot there as well. From this position, breathe in fully and come back to the starting position. So we stretch almost every muscle in the body, and we're gonna do it one more time. Join me. Remember to drive your heels down. Feel the stretch in your calves here. Plank position. Knees to the ground. You can feel it in your shoulder here. Great stretch. Come forward, fully up. And now back into the plank position. Left foot forward. You can feel it in the groin. In this position. Now come back with your right foot, and now butt up and follow with your hands and meet the sun. That was it for today. Great job, guys. That was the training for today. I hope everything went well. If not, or you have any other questions, you can always contact the email down below. And remember, you're more than welcome for a consult at Physio Bastiaans. If anything, please remember to work hard, play hard.